art, music, and all. Support it. Support local. Yo, what's up? Welcome to another episode of The Box. So we got new local stuff from our friends here in Cebu, of course. So this is from Clever Clothing. We got a stuff from Cursed by Fire, our good friends. Magaw. I think this is their first release or second shirt release. Palit din ako last time. You have free stickers from Clever. Salamat Gaomero. I got this also. This is a Cursed by Fire face mask. Right there. There's the name of the band and here's the logo. Gamit na to mo umpra or kuan ba? Atay paliton gawas might be Redhorse. So see. Yeah, right. And the quality is really good. Got strap here, elastic strap, and yeah, bagga siya. The quality is 5-star right there. And here's the shirt. Oh, lagi na pang ano. I ordered this last time pag release, I think 2 months or 3 months ago. So, alright, there's the front logo nila, Cursed by Fire, and I wanna do, yeah. Really good printing quality right there. And yeah, it's Cursed by Fire. Mo nilang official merch. So I don't know if it's still available, but try lang mo kuan. Visit silang Facebook. Kasi makascore pa mo. Quality of the shirt is really comfortable. There's a Clever Clothing logo. I think this is Cursed by Fire X Clever Streetwear. Got the logo right there. Alright. Oh yeah. There's still a logo here. Clever. Really good quality shirt. Congrats mga gaw. Cursed by Fire. So napagigi pada freebie si Nero. Lamat Yemer. It's I think Lamon clothing. Right. There you go. Lamon. But yeah, Lamon is eat. I think it's Leyte, Bisaya sa Leyte, or I don't know, not really sure, but first heard of the word lamon is in Ormoc, Leyte. Yeah. So once again, thank you, Cursed by Fire, Clever Clothing. So what's up? There's the sticker and the face mask. So be sure to check them out at their Facebook accounts. Napa dito daghang mga kuan merch, got hats. Got a hat last time sa Clever Clothing. It's really good. So, kusiha. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.